3AW is football.
You walked in with the cup. Does it feel special?
It does feel very special. I've had some great memories with the cup over the years, and very envious of the players this Saturday, that's for sure. I was in Albury yesterday for the Ovens and Murray Grand Final. I had to bring their Premiership Cup onto the ground before the game. The Butterflies well and truly set in. I wanted to make a comeback there and then, Nick. So I don't know what I'm going to be like on Saturday in front of 90,000 people.
So you still get that, even though you've got three of these things at home, and we'll talk about that in a second, you still get that little special buzz about it.
Oh, it is the best feeling in the world. I still remember as a 19-year-old back in 2001 when we beat the Bombers, and when that siren sounds, the final siren, to win the first premiership, it is unbelievable. It's hard to describe those feelings, and then to do the premiership lap, or the premiership lap, the lap of honour, I suppose, with all your teammates, and just see the emotion in the fans' eyes, and especially the old Fitzroy supporters. There was a lot of tears that day. It was very special. Obviously, as a player, you're always trying to win more, so I didn't really have time to reflect and look back, but now I'm retired, I can look back and think, geez, I was pretty lucky I played in 3 premierships.
3AW is football.